What do you want to manifest in your being to bring into your presence? Invoking things is important and always will give you subtle changes to your reality. When choosing a costume and a mask, you want to tap into what kind of energy you would like to invoke in your presence.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Hey. What? Come on. It's a Colombian peckerhead.
That's really nice, Cole. Now, could you do a pigeon so I can run you over with my car? Don't really, Cole. Do a pigeon.
Cole. Did you get the number?
We must pay homage to him.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. How to Self Deify on Halloween. When choosing your Halloween mask this year, there are a few things as a chaos being you want to think about before making that purchase. Like we all know, Halloween, we are invoking the spirit of a certain entity or energies we would like to see come forth. Halloween is a time when the spirit world and the earth realm are meshed. They call it the Day of the Dead. The Day of the Dead is known as Dia de Muerta in Spanish. It's celebrated in Mexico between October 31st and November 2nd. On this holiday, Hispanics remember and honor their deceased loved ones. Hispanics visit their cemeteries, decorate their graves, and spend their time in the presence of their deceased friends and family members. Hispanics know death as a natural part of the human cycle and celebrate the transition. What are they actually doing? Where does your ancestors live? They live inside of you. And what you're actually doing is moving these energies inside of you.
Message!
During this gateway and portal, the astral world and the known world collide, so the subconscious is primed and ready for programming. Programming in this magical space, where America is celebrating the spirit world and becoming a character or something they're not. Here are keys to choosing your right mask for this mass ritual. What do you want to manifest in your being to bring into your presence? Invoking things is important and always will give you subtle changes to your reality. When choosing a costume and a mask, you want to tap into what kind of energy you would like to invoke in your presence. Remember, this energy will be in your presence until you change it or invoke a contradictionary energy that will change it. Choose wisely. What physical energy are you ready to exude when it's time to put on the mask? Your emotional energy is going to be key in you making the invocation alive and well in your being. Your physical power rage is a must, empowering up the emotional response you need for you to sustain the character or long enough to make a difference in your being. Be the character, animal, whatever you wish to be. Make presence in your reality. What is your main thought or constant thought of the character or animal? Your conscious mind is in play here and is ready to power up your subconscious mind as long as your conscious and subconscious are in agreement. For example, do you want to put on an R. Kelly costume if your constant thought about R. Kelly is pedophile?
Nope.
Be conscious and aware of your knowing thoughts with particular characters. Invoking is key and a must in your spiritual journey. When we invoke these gods and goddesses, we're turning on parts of our subconscious mind that knows. Self Deifying is a powerful way to gain more understanding and light in your being. The knower. When you know, you just know. And your truth can't be faulted by the opinions of others. Turn on these parts of your mind that will shape and shift your reality in the now. Dream wise.